Hi, good morning, Melton drivers. This morning we're going to talk a little bit about a few spring maintenance tips and also go over how to get in contact with outside repair. That seems to be an issue lately, so we're going to go over that and review that a little bit. So to start, the first big spring tip we have, and really the only big thing you need to check this time of year, is your tire pressures. So in our steer tires we run 110 pounds, and the drive tires we run 100 pounds. Trailer tires you don't have to worry about. We have auto inflate system, so you'll never have to worry about those. Also, when you're doing your pre-trips, you should be doing it every day and checking your tires well every day, but just in case you don't, make sure you check your tires very well when it starts getting warm. Trailer tires, if they have any chunks or any tread separating, they'll blow out. Same thing with drive tires, steer tires, so make sure you're checking those very carefully. Also, with your APUs, so getting into the warmer months now, start turning your AC on and make sure that it's working. You don't want to wait until you're in Laredo and it's 110 degrees before you check your AC, so make sure you're checking that and that it's working properly. Same thing with your truck AC. If you haven't used it in a while, turn it on, make sure it's working properly. The next thing with maintenance is just to go over all your air hoses, all your coolant hoses, all that stuff as you're looking at your engine and over your truck and trailer. Make sure all those don't have any holes or any leaks or anything. The winter, everything gets brittle. As it starts to warm up, you may notice a few little issues there, so check those out. So moving on to the outside repair issue of getting in contact with us. It seems like we've had an issue with the wrong phone number being given out a couple times. So our correct phone number is 918-779-6679. If you have any issue calling that number, you can't get a hold of us, please let me know. We've had some phone issues in the past and that number hasn't worked either. So, but all that should be straightened out, and that is the correct number. So if you need to get a hold of us, call that. Or the preferable way to get in contact with us is to send a macro 18. And the reason being is because that notifies everybody. It doesn't just go to outside repair. It goes to outside repair, it goes to extended coverage, it goes to your DM, it goes to everybody. And it places a note on your screen so that everybody can tell that you've had a breakdown. And then from that, if your Qualcomm is down and you can't send a macro 18, you can get on the TransFlow app and send a service request on there as well. We'll respond to those. Those come in as an email to us, and we'll respond to you with either a call or a Qualcomm message back to you. So if you guys have any issues with getting in contact with us, please let me know. You can call me directly. My number is 918-270-9445. If you have any other questions or concerns, feel free to give me a call anytime. Thanks.